Swollen eyelids can be a difficult problem to deal with sometimes. It can change the complete dimension of your face when you wake up with swollen eyes. Swollen eyes can happen due to many reasons. Sometimes, it can happen due to a lack of sleep. It can also occur when there is inflammation due to an accumulation of excess fluid in the tissues that surround the eyes. There are many symptoms of swollen eyelids that people should be aware of: irritation of the eyes, blurry vision, excessive teary eyes, redness of the eyelids, dryness, and pain that can be caused by certain infections. Cucumber. Cucumber has a healing as well as a cooling effect on the skin due to its water content. Therefore, it is a great remedy for swollen eyelids. Cucumber is very effective in providing a soothing touch to irritated skin, and it can also effectively treat the pesky problem of dark circles. You can take a cucumber and slice it into thin circular slices. Keep them in the refrigerator for a while. Use them to cover your eyes and keep them on for 15 minutes. The coolness from the chilled cucumber slices can help constrict the swollen blood vessels. Vitamin C and caffeic acid are effective in treating both irritated skin and swelling. Potato slices. The position you sleep in at night can also play a role in the puffiness of your eyes in the morning. If you sleep face down or on your side, it's more likely that fluid will pool around your eyes and look swollen in the morning. If you sleep on your back, that can reduce some swelling underneath the eyes. If you wake up with bags, cut a couple of slices from a potato and leave them on your eyes for about 15 minutes. Coriander. Coriander is a medicinally important herb that comes with a gamut of medicinal properties. You can take some coriander seeds and tie them in a piece of cotton cloth. Soak it in water and leave it aside for a few hours. Use this water to wash your eyes. This can help in reducing the pain and the burning sensation, and this treatment can also effectively help in reducing the swelling of the eyes. Egg whites. Egg whites contain pure protein in them, which is known for their skin tightening properties. Also, it can help in reducing the swelling. Separate an egg white from the yolk and use your fingers or a brush to rub the egg white on the eyelids. Let the egg white dry and wash it off after 15 minutes. The egg white acts as an astringent as it reduces swelling by tightening and toning the skin underneath the eyes. Green tea. Green tea contains antibiotic and astringent properties that help manage many problems such as burning sensations, swelling, and irritation. Just keep 2 used tea bags in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. Then, use those cold green tea bags on both your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this home remedy at least 2 to 3 times every day until you see a significant difference in your eyes. Witch hazel. Witch hazel plays the role of a natural astringent and antioxidant that can tighten up your skin. Take a few cotton pads and soak in witch hazel. Then, squeeze the pads and apply them to your eyelids. Do this at least twice a day for 5 to 10 minutes. It will not only help in reducing the swelling but also improve the overall condition of your eye. Black tea bags. Black tea is a wonderful beverage that has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Tannin is a major constituent of black tea, and it is the reason behind its anti-inflammatory properties. Take a few tea bags and boil them in water for some time. Now, you can store these bags in the refrigerator for some time, and apply these bags onto your swollen eyelids for 15 to 20 minutes.